everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1968 Pontiac Firebird. Beautiful car, man. This car's got a great look. Love the color combination. This is not a factory color. It's indigo blue metallic, and it's beautiful. We do have some of the touch-up paint. Car has the parchment or pearl interior in it. That is the original color for that. And it's all new. Car's I think he said a 5-year-old complete body-up restoration, and I mean they put new subframe bushings in it as well. So they've had this car all apart. Got a great look, got it lowered down just a little bit. It's got those 17-inch billet Rally 2 wheels on it. Factory 400 car, it's a PHS documented car, factory 400, factory 4-speed car with a factory hood tach. So neat car, cool options. Again, just a great look. Neat bird. That color on there is just super cool, man. Sorry about the dust. They get so dusty out here this time of year. You can see they replaced the bumpers. Again, that's just a little dust there, guys. Sorry. I did see a couple little touch-up marks, a couple little blemishes in the paint, but really nice. It's got the sport hood on it with the hood tach. Again, there's a little stone peck there. We do have to fix the wipers. They came on, but we couldn't get them to shut off, so I don't know if it's in the switch or sometimes that's a ground too. We'll check it. And a couple of little blemishes in your paint. Nothing huge, nothing you're really going to mess with. Definitely a new rear window. I think all the side glass is original. Rear deck spoiler. And if you see that, it's just dust, guys, trying to wipe it off. But with the traffic and this time of year, man, everything just gets so dusty. Car's nice and straight down down the sides. Love the wheels. Continental rubber, CRA rubber all the way around it. New rear bumper. Good looking car, man. Front disc brakes. Again, original 400 car. This is not the matching numbers engine. It's actually got a 70 day-coded 400 on it, and it's got the code 12 heads. Look it up, but I'm pretty sure those are Ram Air heads on this car. The code 12, they're definitely the bigger valve heads. 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Again, Muncie 4-speed, original 4-speed car. Power steering, power disc brakes. Got a Mallory Uni-lite distributor in it. It's actually got a aluminum radiator. They've got the factory shroud on it. Car's got a good look, real good look. Yeah, we'll check on those wipers. This looks like a little air in the hood. Stock chrome mirrors, all new door rubbers and door fuzzies. New door handles. Door skins look clean. They said all this interior's new. Again, it's that parchment, but it's kind of got that little pearl look to it. Stock steering wheel, Hurst shifter. Showing 65,000. I would assume that's probably the original miles. He could not tell me what the miles were on the rest of it. You can tell it's not a ton. Retrosounds radio, padded dash. We also have to check on the parking brake. It engages, but I think it's going to need an adjustment. Dual exhaust, factory 10-bolt, safety track rear end. I'm going to have to remember the gear, guys. I think it's a 323. It's definitely something you get on the highway with. Jackson here. Again, we got a couple little extra parts. There's your PHS documentation. There's also touch-up paint in there. Remind me, there's also a car cover for this car. Looks to me like they put a trunk pan in it. Did a nice job, though. Car's clean underneath. The floors are nice. Definitely redone these seats. They look good. Rubber floor mats in it. I bought those. You know, that's a question I actually got the other day. A little crack in your steering wheel. Sorry, I didn't show you that. I like the rubber mats in the 4-speeds. I don't like the carpeted mats. People have asked me that question. I've said that before. The carpet mats will slide when you're shifting, so I think they're a little unsafe. Go cam to it. You hear that cam working? Good looking car, man. I don't get a lot of these. I know people have been calling for them. I get a lot of Camaros. I do not get a lot of Firebirds. Really nothing but the in here, the fuel gauge in here. Tach doesn't work out here. Nice little cam working in it. We got one of those bulbs out. I bet you, I know that stuff was working on my bumped one. Retrosounds, oh, it's on auxiliary. We didn't get it to radio. I know the blower motor works. Radio does work. Again, we got to check on the wipers. I think you might even unplug this screen to shut off. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another one great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.